Om Sri Sachidananda Sadguru Sai Ātma Maharaj ki Jai. So today I'm going to do the heart chakra healing. This one will be helping the people, those who are having hard relationship issues or having some heartbreaks. Such type of people will this normally feel very sad, and they are not able to just express their feelings out, and so they will go into depression and also get that anxiety. So to help such persons, I'm going to give session now for the heart chakra, and those who want the detailed session can always contact me. So now this is the session starting for the heart chakra. Anantakoti Brahmanda Nayaka Rajadiraja Yogiraja Parabrahma Om Sri Sachidananda Sadguru Sai Ātma Maharaj ki Jai. Anantakoti Brahmanda Nayaka Rajadiraja Yogiraja Parabrahma Om Sri Sachidananda Sadguru Sai Ātma Maharaj ki Jai. Anantakoti Brahmanda Nayaka Rajadiraja Yogiraja Parabrahma Om Sri Sachidananda Sadguru Sai Ātma Maharaj ki Jai. Jai Sai Ram. May your heart be blessed by Baba today. May all your worries, anxieties, fears, phobias just melt away. Always believe the God is there for you, and the God is ever willing to help you. So don't worry in any situation, because nothing is permanent in life. Everything keeps on passing. So feel the energy of Baba now. Feel your heart becoming lighter and lighter. You are going into a deeper, calmer state of mental and physical relaxation. You are totally blessed by Baba's love, Baba's energy. Baba always loves you, and Baba wants you to know that don't lose hope in any circumstance. Feel the immense love, feel the immense energy, feel the blessings come to you now. Om Sai, Sri Sai, Jai Jai Sai. 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 Feel the heart getting lighter and lighter. You are becoming calmer and calmer and more relaxed. You have no anxieties, no phobias, no mental and physical tensions. You are a body of light. You are a child of God. You are a child of Baba. So don't worry. All your pains are going to melt away. All your worries are going to melt away. Your heart is getting lighter and lighter. You're feeling calmer and calmer and calmer. And you're going in a very deep state of relaxation, relaxation, relaxation. Just relax, relax, relax. Om Sai Namo Namaha Sri Sai Namo Namaha Jai Jai Sai Namo Namaha Satguru Sai Namo Namaha. You're feeling very light, you're feeling relaxed, you're feeling peaceful. We are with Baba now. You don't have to worry. No tensions, no anxieties, no fears. Nothing is going to come in your way. You're going to get peace. You're going to be in bliss. You're going to enjoy the taste of happiness. And you're going to get whatever you want in life. The purpose of your birth is going to be met. Many things can happen to you because of Sai Baba's blessings upon you. May Baba bless you abundantly. May Baba bless you with peace. May Baba bless you with good health and happiness. May Baba be with you in all times. May peace be upon you. May peace be upon all the people who interact with you. Be in peace. Be in bliss, be in happiness, be in joy, and have a good life. Om Sai Ram. So if you want any personalized healing sessions from me, you can always contact me. I'm just available, and I feel this lot of people are into stress, anxieties, and they cannot get really permanent solutions in life, because this is something to do with this mind and soul. So only things like healing can be helping you a lot in this long run. So if you feel anxiety, if you feel this lonely, you can always come for Sai Healing, Sai Ātma Healing. I have been healing a lot of people now. So don't worry in life, there will be always a way out. Om Sai Ram.